Anong disease ang nagkakos ng blurring of vision, fainting, at tremor?
Maybe it's Huntington's disease. It explains the tremors.
But it doesn't explain the fainting.
Maybe we should wait for Bahay. Hindi pa niya naman case na to.
Uwi na ka ba, Jay? Hindi ka.
What's this? I don't want this case. At bakit? I'd rather spend my hours on more worthy cases. Hindi yung ganyan, no? Ordinaryo lang. You should hire an ordinary doctor for that case. Hindi ako. Then I will not sign your paycheck. At isa pa, ipapaputol ko yung cable dito sa ospital. Hindi ka na makakanood ng entes lang. And you'll spend more clinic hours. Gusto mo ba yon? Sige nga. 18-year-old female exhibiting blurring of vision, fainting, tremor, differential diagnosis, people. Ba't hindi nagsasalta? Hindi pa kayo nagra-run ng diagnostic test?
Sabi ko na nga sa kanila kanina pa eh. Kaya naman.
Inintay ka nga namin. Torman, CT scan, MRI, ultrasonography, gawin mo. Jace, pelvimetry, cytology, colposcopy, at laparoscopy, ikaw gagawa niyan. At come on, HCG titer, amniocentesis, at pap smear. Ano pa inaantay nyo? Now!